For centuries, humanity dreamed of machines that could run forever, producing infinite power without fuel. The idea was intoxicating, an endless source of energy that could light cities, power ships, and free us from scarcity. But dreams are not laws of nature, and reality has its boundaries. Inventors built wheels, gears, and clever contraptions, hoping motion could sustain itself. Yet every attempt met the same fate: friction grinding, resistance building, and momentum fading. No matter how ingenious the design, energy leaked away, proving that perpetual motion was only an illusion. Physics speaks with clarity: energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. A machine that generates infinite power would need to conjure energy from nothing, a violation of the most fundamental law of the universe. The scales of nature never allow something for nothing. Entropy is the silent thief. Every process, no matter how efficient, loses usable energy. Heat dissipates, order decays, and systems drift toward disorder. This is why perpetual motion is not just improbable, it is impossible. The universe itself demands balance, and balance requires loss. Though infinite power is impossible, nature offers abundance. The sun bathes Earth in more energy each hour than humanity uses in a year. Winds sweep across continents, rivers carve valleys, and the Earth's core radiates heat. These sources are not infinite, but they are vast enough to sustain us for generations. Even renewable energy must be captured, stored, and distributed. Solar panels dim at night, wind turbines rest in still air, and batteries eventually drain. Abundance does not mean infinity. The challenge is not to defy physics, but to work within its rules, building systems that are resilient, efficient, and sustainable. Infinite power is a fantasy, but sustainable power is a reality. By harnessing the gifts of the sun, wind, and earth, we can create an energy future that feels limitless, even though it is bound by natural laws. The dream is not infinity, it is sustainability, and it is within our reach. The truth is clear: infinite power is impossible, but abundant, renewable energy is enough to light the world.